Hey, what's up guys? So Oukitel announced the Oukitel WP21 Ultra, which would be launching for $350 on the 20th of March. It is expected to be the better version of the Oukitel WP21 in terms of camera capabilities. In this video, I'll tell you guys the differences between the two rugged devices. I'll try to make it quick because I don't want to waste anybody's time. So without further ado, let's dig into it. So what is the difference, or what are the differences between the Oukitel WP21 and the Ultra? Well, the difference lies at the back of both devices. The Oukitel WP21 has a circle-shaped watch-like rear display. On the Oukitel WP21 Ultra, the rear display has been replaced with a module that contains 5-megapixel infrared thermal camera. So that's the difference between both devices. Every other specs of both devices are the same thing, except for the differences that I pointed out. If you want to get familiar with the Oukitel WP21, there will be a link in the video description. That's it guys. I'd like to hear your thoughts about both devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.